6 proven ways to succeed in your studies. Want to crush your exam without losing your mind? Let's talk about my 6 study habits that actually work. Hold up. Laws are not just for lawyers. They are for everyone. Now, here's what proves it. Yesterday, we saw that to argue the law with confidence, you must understand it deeply. That kind of deep understanding doesn't come by accident. It's built through disciplined and smart study. Here are 6 proven habits that will help you succeed as a law student. Number 1, master time management. It is very, very important. Plan your week ahead. Plan your studies. Number 2, study smart, not just hard. Study smart, I repeat, not just hard. Understand before you memorize. This is also very, very crucial, very important. Number 3, active learning. Solve past questions, joint group discussions, like serious group discussions, honestly. And then test yourself is very, very important. Number 4, seek clarification early. Like ask questions both in class or seniors or like whoever that knows better than you. Ask question, seek clarification at very, very early stage. Don't let doubt fill you up. Then number 5, maintain a healthy lifestyle, like rest well, sleep well, read well, and then move well. You understand? And most importantly, eat well also. Then number 6, review regularly. Weekly revision, like revise your notes and in order to avoid cramming. You understand? So these are my 6 proven habits that will help you succeed as a law student. You understand? So, and when you think like this, you are ready for tomorrow's lesson. A legal principle that demands you to do right thing even if the whole world is against you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And let me also introduce you to this ebook of mine. It's very, very important. You have to get this book. Try and get this book. Thanks for watching. New video drop every evening at 7 p.m. sharp. Hit that subscribe button for clear legal insight every weekday. Like, comment, and share. See you tomorrow. J Justice.